Fastest in America again. Smile tire. They only got one thing going for them. You know what the one thing going for them is? They won't let little big head Trisha Wayne, cause they won't let you race because you're only 13. If they would, what would it be? How about you? You race? All right. What's your name? All right. You think anybody can beat Ole Heavy? What? What'd you tell? You don't think they can beat Ole Heavy, baby? We getting ready, y'all, for Smile Tire, fastest in America. We gonna kick that giraffe's ass for real. We got the motor out Ole Heavy. We got the motor out Ole Heavy. We thinking about trying to put that down hummingbird motor in there. What do you think, Hollywood? Think we can get that hummingbird motor in there?
I think we should leave the hummingbird alone.
Leave the hummingbird alone?
It's doing good.
All right, it's doing good. Leave the old hummingbird alone. We got the motor out Ole Heavy right now, y'all. We getting ready. We got to leave, drive 24 hours, start Sunday or Saturday. We got these Tennessee hillbillies up here. All they got is a 9/16 a half inch and a crescent wrench. I call one jack leg and I call the other one slick leg. Ole Heavy, the only one slipping, y'all. I got a real surprise gonna be coming for fastest. I'm gonna give y'all a hint. You might get to see it. It ends with a tie. But that old Challenger, that ain't too bad. It's a challenge. Fastest in America is going down. It's going to be Smile Tire this year. It's going to be 428s. 428s stock suspension. And it's going to be the other ones. It's going to be 29 10.5. Smile Tire. See what we can do. It's going to be a different world. That's Patricia Annaline right there. Patricia Annaline. I'm trying to get this old Barracuda ready for it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it ready or not. I'm having trouble. Ooh, got an empty trailer. I need some glasses, y'all. I can't see real good. Y'all might see me in divorce court. Trisha trying to divorce me because I won't let her get back in no race car. What are y'all thinking? Does Trisha Wayne need to get back in zip tie and drive it for fastest in America, or does she not? I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking. I'm thinking the kids need their daddy, but they got to have the mama. What you say, baby? Who you got to have? Who you got to have?
Oh, God.
Do y'all think Trisha Wayne should come back in Fastest in America on Smile Tire? Zip tie is going to be ready. She don't know it, but it's going to be ready. We're supposed to pick it up tomorrow.
Ooh, it looks good, too.
Ooh. Sneak peek. Sneak peek, where your phone at? Let the world see a sneak peek. Sneak peek. Trisha don't know it's ready. I might try to act like something wrong with it, blowed up or something. We got a little aluminum 632 sitting in it. Can't get the Hemi down no Smile Tire. Down no Vegas road.
Ooh, wait, there it is. There it is. Take it off.
All right. I need some votes, y'all. I need some votes. Who thinks Trisha Wayne should come back and drive zip tie and fastest in America because she wanting to. But I damn sure ain't wanting to. I'm going to keep it 100. It's almost called me a divorce.